How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Couple lessons tonight. Number one, always check very closely that you have the right parts. For example, I'm doing a starter on a 2016 GMC Sierra. Ordered a remanufactured starter from one of the local big chain stores. Shows up, start looking at it. Looks right, doesn't it? Yeah, everything looks good until you look at these connectors. You take a close look, you see the shape of the connector on the one that came out of the truck, and that's the connector of the one from the big chain store. Not gonna work, not even gonna fit. So I called up the dealer, it's not too far away. They had a new starter in stock with the proper connector. Which brings me to lesson number two. You'd figure the aftermarket big chain stores would be a cheaper part, being a remanufactured and being a aftermarket chain store. But this new one from the dealer came in at $45 cheaper than the remanufactured one. Would have been very aggravating if I didn't check the parts thoroughly. Can you imagine getting everything all bolted up and you go to push that last connector on and it just won't go? Then you have to pull it all out and start all over again. So just take my advice, shop around for prices every so often just to make sure your vendors are staying honest, and going to the dealer may not be more expensive after all. Save some money and get the right part the first time. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.